Take a look at the outpost in the painted tree community. It's inspired by our national parks, and right over there, there's a lookout tower attached to the kids' playground where you can climb up and take a look at treetop sunsets. This is a great place to relax and unwind. Well, here I saw cardinals and multiple other birds flying in and out of all the trees. It's also a great place to access the trails to take a walk or get a run in. I'm here at another house in the painted tree community in McKinney, Texas. Bunch of construction going on. This one's available for you to be able to move in July. As we fly over, you can see the 3-car tandem garage on the right for this Bandera floor plan by Coventry Homes. This home is 4,330 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath. For new builds, there's often builder incentives. For Coventry Homes, they've been offering up to $20,000 towards closing costs, and there's other limited time offers available as well. If you've been looking for some good deals, contact me and I'll get you the latest info. As our view gets higher, you can see how easy it is to access the main roads from this location. To give you even more of an idea of Coventry Homes' aesthetic style, I went over to their model home in the painted tree community. It's showing off their Bandera floor plan, gives you a sense of their design style. Starting outside, you can see the brick and stone exterior with multiple elevations creating an appealing look with different depths. Now as we step inside, you're greeted with this tall entryway, creating that wow factor, flooding the room with bright natural light. To the right of the entryway is the office, great for working from home. Now this living room is awesome. Soaring ceilings, tall windows, and an open concept flow into the kitchen and dining areas. The kitchen includes a large center island, lots of cabinet space, and a walk-in pantry tucked away around the corner. Over at the breakfast nook, we're surrounded by windows, making it a bright, happy place to start your mornings. Moving into the main level primary suite, as we look up, the vaulted ceilings add an extra layer of elegance, which leads into the primary ensuite bath. Here you've got a freestanding tub, oversized glass shower, dual vanities, and a large closet. Also downstairs is a second suite with a private full bath. Not only would guests enjoy this private retreat, but it would also be ideal for multi-generational living. Upstairs, there's 3 more bedrooms, a game room at the landing, and a media room. The Painted Tree community includes 250 acres of parks and trails inspired by our national parks. This is the Lakeside Trailhead, which is still under development. It's estimated to be completed later this year. Over at the Village Trailhead, you can find this pool with the great sun shelf and multiple levels, with these loungers to relax and soak up the sun. Back at the Outpost, they have gathering spaces, a food truck court, outdoor adventure park, playgrounds, and 2 trailheads. They also stock their 20-acre lake with fish. Painted Tree is also in such a great location. It's just 3 miles northwest of historic downtown McKinney and just 30 miles north of Dallas. In the nationwide rankings by John Burns Research and Consulting, Painted Tree was the top-selling master plan community in Dallas-Fort Worth. Additionally, it's in the highly sought-after McKinney Independent School District. If this area has caught your eye and you want to know more, or you're ready to buy your dream home in the area, reach out. I'd love to work with you. You'll want to watch the next video where I explore the area around Painted Tree, taking a look at what's available in McKinney for shopping, restaurants, fast food, what are places for great dessert options, and we'll also explore the time it takes to get around the area. We'll take a look at the maps and plot our course from Painted Tree to different areas around the Metroplex, such as shopping centers and the major airports.